parachute on the right, if I'm not mistaken, will be our flag. And then we have a cameraman up there getting it all on tape or on video. We do it on mini cards now, SD cards. Just got before the habit to say on tape or on video anymore. Pretty antiquated. All right, what a beautiful sight, ladies and gentlemen. High overhead, Rob Holly and our members of the United States Army Golden Knights. And in just a few moments, the Ladies for Liberty will be singing our national anthem, and we'll get day 2 officially underway. Wow, that is a picture right there, ladies and gentlemen. That is amazing. As you can see, there's not much wind out here today. Those smoke rings just hanging in the sky. That is amazing. What an incredible way to start off day 2 of the Joint Base Andrews Air and Space Expo, celebrating the 75th anniversary of your United States Air Force. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please stand and join us for our national anthem being sung today by the Ladies for Liberty.
Oh, say